This is SCAU RYAKUMAR Shaurya Kumar, and this is my unboxing video for the new game Gears of War 2 for the Xbox 360, exclusively launched in India a few days ago. So I got it from eBay. As you can see, this is my courier box which I received today, and I'm gonna open it and see what's inside the case. Here you can see in the box I have a game, Gears of War 2 live 5 bonus maps, and stop whatever details. And that's it. So we open the CD case. See, yep, and we have opened it. See, Gears of War 2 disc, and paper material. Download the exclusive flashback map pack. Some shit. Subscription code. Don't know what is that. A Fable 2 brochure, some kind of shit, and a manual for the Gears of War 2, telling how to play and what's about the characters, about the weapons and all that. The customer service numbers and limited warranty, Australia and New Zealand numbers, of course they don't have, and Indian numbers on this. So on this CD we have 3 months of warranty, and this in India it costs around 2500 rupees. And this is, thanks for watching. Bye bye.